I think we might have got the best ocean view room there is on this whole place, so I'm super excited about it. First of all, the breathtaking room. It has a bunch of coastal ocean touches to it with the blues, the teak. Everything about this screams Hawaii and ocean theme. I absolutely love it. Great little, TV on the wall, everything that you need. We also have a tablet over here to control and do guest services, but we'll get to that. Over in this side, we have a little table. The bed itself, super nice and extremely comfortable. I don't want to jump in it yet because my clothes are still dirty from the flight. We literally just landed. So not only are we going to show you just kind of out here at night, but we're going to show you again tomorrow so you can see the view of the ocean because it is stunning. But it is late now and we want to get it while the room is clean. You got a giant mirror going across here, which is pretty fun. And then a nice little secondary kind of like guest area, guest couch. You can kind of relax. And then over here, they got this really nice like notebook with postcards in here. And what I love about the Halekulani is it really has a nice Hawaiian but Japanese flair to it, which really makes this hotel super special. It is the only true 5-star hotel in Waikiki. The rest are like condos, like the Ritz-Carlton. So that's not a true hotel. This is the one true 5-star. And then we also have, tea, coffee, frother, everything that you need in here. So take advantage of all this stuff. And then I think down here, yes, we got our fridge with our Hawaiian water. Super excited about that. So let's take a look. You can kind of see, I don't think you can get a really good look, but huge patio here. And like I said, we're gonna go into this more tomorrow and you can probably hear the oceans come in. But let's take a look at this pool, how cool this pool is. You can oversee. Look how beautiful that is, guys. You got the giant flower in the middle of the pool, and then you can see, a lot of the seats and stuff where people are out during the day. But like I said, we're gonna come back that just in a little bit and show you what it looks like in the daylight. But let's go to some other parts of this room, which are really cool. And it's this closet. Also, if you want to put this, we have, as standard with any nice hotel, a safe for all your valuables while you're on vacation. And then we're gonna have this, so you can just hit the guest services and it'll bring in here, it'll do hotel information, housekeeping, pre-arrival, request dining, all of that stuff you can take care of from here, which is amazing. So we're definitely gonna be taking advantage of the in-room dining. And La Mer is one of the world-renowned restaurants for this hotel, so definitely want to check that one out. And it's pretty cool because, like I said, it has the Japanese touch. You have the in-room menu in Japanese and then also in English. So many great things about this. By the way, it is a 24/7 in-room service, so that is a really nice feature for this hotel, especially when we got in. It's almost midnight, so we're excited about that. And then the last part is going to be this amazing bathroom. Once again, it really is tying in all the Japanese culture with Hawaii, and you also got that coastal, but this is a beautiful area for you to sit down, do your makeup, whatever. I know a lot of people are coming out here for, like weddings and stuff like that. So if you want to get everything ready, this is a beautiful area for that. You have access to the closet again. You have the robes, more toiletries. They have the moisturizer, the mouthwash, everything like that. And now you got a full tub in here. You can get completely submerged, and you can definitely, look how big it is. Definitely could fit a second or third person here. I'm not going to judge, but you can do whatever you want in your tub. It's that big. Then we also have the stand up with the waterfall, and then a little nice, look at this. The toilet opens up on its own. The bidet, which is great. That's, pretty standard, if any kind of Japanese themed place coming with that. So that's great. Also, there is a phone in here. So I guess if you, I don't know, you need help while you're using the restroom, you can always call someone, or if you want to talk to someone. But That being said, we're gonna do a little time jump so you can see what it looks like in the morning. And let's take the look when it's actually daytime, guys. So it isn't the most sunny day because of the weather, but wow. Like, this is what Hawaii is all about. There's the pool during the day. You can see the crashing waves. You can see the beach where the people are able to just go in. It's kind of like a little private beach area compared to the really busy one in Waikiki. And then to the left, you can see Diamond Head out there. And then to the right, you can just see the rolling waves, but everything is just so gorgeous. You can walk down there on the grassy areas. I wish it was a little sunnier, but I can't change the weather. Overall, I think if you're looking for one of these rooms, I do think the ocean view, I personally like it better than the ocean front. So the ocean front is going to be right here in the middle. And you can see that the only problem I don't like about the ocean front is you're not getting towards the right view, and you're also looking straight at these hotels, rooms to the right. So that, in my opinion, doesn't really, I feel, I don't know, I just like the unobstructed view that you get, and this, especially this last one. If you ask for 1441, that's definitely the one you want, guys. So we're off to breakfast at the Halekulani. But I thought it was really interesting on the way here. You have like your Louis Vuitton Voyage, which is kind of a cool little thing that they got in here. They just have some decorations with Louis Vuitton. Got the nice little cases and the bag. And then you got more, you got a shop to the left. Another cool thing here, just a lot of like the Hawaiian culture, which I really love. And then you got this big open court here. It is a little rainy today, so it's not the ideal weather for Hawaii, but I guess if you like the rain, then it is a good day for you. But we're gonna get some breakfast. We're going to the buffet just because I like to eat. There is other options as well where you can sit down. And if you use the Amex Fine Hotel Resort, you can get that absolutely free, up to like, I think like $100 value. But we're going to the buffet just because I'm here to eat. Or at the buffet, there are so many tasty things. First of all, they got French toast, roasted potatoes, rice, everything that you could imagine that you want at a buffet, all in the La Creuset. Let me get some of this Frito with onions. This looks absolutely delicious, guys. I am super excited about this food. Ooh, chicken apple sausage. Can't go wrong here. Gotta fill up on that meat. Straight. Bacon. Oh, it's crispy, guys. And I think you got fresh juices and everything over here. A lot of your pastries. Oh man, this looks beyond good. Essentially get the seaweed, more like the Japanese cuisine here, which is really cool. The cold tofu. Here we go. This is what I came here for, guys. Love the fresh fruit. I've been waiting for this, some grapefruit. Oh my gosh, guys. This stuff looks absolutely amazing. You got the parfaits as well. Ooh. All right, I think that's gonna be good on a first round. Oh my goodness, I lied. There's more. This is definitely more of the Japanese miso soups. This is more, I think, the traditional Japanese. I'm gonna have to come back for seconds on this because it looks absolutely amazing. We're on the way to the pool now. So we're gonna come this way, out to the right. You can see the humidity right now just on the glass, which is insane. That's what you get when you get rain in the morning. But let's come out and see why everybody's so, oh, we got a little Chanel station here too. But this is the pool that we overlook, and it is beautiful. This is the one with the flower in the middle, and it looks absolutely phenomenal. Not a lot of people out here today just because it is raining, but it is beautiful. You can see tons of seating. Tons and tons of seating. You can see all the way around. And then there is a little private access to the beach here, which is kind of interesting. It's not like a huge beach opening, but it is a little secluded area, which is a lot smaller than the main Waikiki beach, which is just walking distance down the road. But I do think it is a little bit more intimate, and you're not going to get bombarded with a lot of tourists. So we are wrapping up our stay here at the Halekulani, and they went over the top for us. They sent us a nice little greeting card, a little plate, some fresh fruit here. They got some cookies in here, and then also a big box of the Honolulu Cookie Company premium shortbread cookies. So everything being said, the experience here has been absolutely fantastic and amazing. 5-star resort through and through, beautiful views, great amenities, amazing food. The service is top tier here. If you're going to stay in Waikiki, this is the only place that I would solidly book if you're looking for an actual luxury stay. A lot of the other rooms are very outdated, and you can tell with all the humidity and stuff, you're just not getting the quality that you are going to get here. These definitely are upkept and everything is perfect. Couldn't have picked a better place to stay. So that being said, if you like content like this, guys, please do follow, subscribe, and like this channel, because it does help me in future videos. And hoping you will be seeing our next trip, and we're staying at another hotel tonight over on the North Shore. So stay tuned for that, because we're going to be trying out the Ritz-Carlton at Turtle Bay.